In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sell stock within compliance using Jotform. Open your browser and go to jotform.com. Then log in to your account. From My Workspace, select My Forms. Click Create Form, choose Start from Scratch, and then select Classic Form. In the Form Builder, click Add Element, open the Widgets tab, search for Quantity Gift Registry and add the widget to your form. Click Edit Items and enter your products along with their available quantities. Next, click Add Element, open the Basic tab and add a section collapse element below the product list. Rename the section to Shipping Info. Add the required fields such as full name, address and phone inside the Shipping Info section. Open the Payments tab, add the PayPal payment element and connect your PayPal account by completing the authentication process. When you're finished, click Publish and copy the form link to share it with your customers. That's how to sell stock within compliance using Jotform. Thanks for watching.